My name is Danny Jones, and I'm working on-site at Goddard in the geolocation lab.
Hello, my name is Michael Namoko. I'm a data science intern.
My name is Zachary Sealfon. My position, I've been working with the climate and radiation group, researching kind of the impact of cloud and aerosols in the Arctic.
At SSAI, all the people I've talked to have been very willing to answer questions and have conversations with me, which I find very cool and a really good opportunity for me to learn. So I'd definitely recommend future interns take advantage of that and ask questions to the people who are experts in the fields you want to learn about, because they'll 100% be willing to talk to you and give you advice.
SSAI has been wonderful. I received emails from folks at HR and all of that with just resources on how to connect to people, how to meet others, social events, and all of that. And so SSAI has very much kind of demonstrated to me that they are a family. For a student that's interested in becoming a future intern, I'd say don't be afraid to put yourself out there and talk to people.
Some advice I'd have for future intern is definitely look at all your options and make sure you exhaust every possible possibility that you have, because there's a lot of different connections that can make to a lot of different experiences within them, and you get what you put in for.
I've had a great experience so far. It's been very informative of showing me what day-to-day life is like both at SSAI and at NASA. And I would definitely say for future interns, take advantage of all the networking opportunities and the seminars.
This has been a wonderful experience so far. The IT team has been incredibly welcoming and open to questions during my time here. And I think that would be my biggest advice to future interns, be to take advantage of the well of knowledge at your disposal here at SSAI.